Your reliability, the very thing that made you successful, is now sabotaging your growth. Yeah, that's what I said. Being the one that everyone can count on feels really good until it quietly turns into over responsibility that's draining you. It's burning you out, and it's putting a hard cap on how far you can scale. Today, we're going to break down exactly how this happens, how to spot it, and how to flip that switch from being a reliable doer to a reliable leader. High-achieving women are always the ones that people depend on. At work, in business, at home, you are the safety net. You're the fixer. You're the one who won't let the ball drop. But the more everyone leans on you, the more you start to lean away from yourself. You're stuck in the weeds doing everything right, while your growth, your energy, and your creativity get starved. Reliability, when it tips to over-responsibility, becomes the very thing that's blocking your next level. And over-responsibility disguises itself as competence, which is the scariest part. It feels like you're being super productive when you're really just micromanaging yourself into exhaustion. Just nod yes or no if any of this hits home. You feel guilty delegating because no one's going to do it right. Your team, your clients, or even family default to you for every single decision. You're answering emails at 10 p.m., but you've ignored your own texts from family and friends. You tell yourself, it's just faster if I do it myself. You create brilliant strategies, but then you're the one executing all of them. If any of that hit a nerve, then that's over-responsibility running the show. You do not have to stop being reliable. You need to upgrade the way reliable shows up. Being a reliable doer means that you're the machine. You're always cranking. You're always available. But being a reliable leader means that your people, your systems, and your boundaries are reliable, so you don't have to be 24/7. Think about it. A reliable doer gets stuff done. A reliable leader builds trust, delegates effectively, and protects their energy so their business can grow without them micromanaging every single inch of it. Reliability isn't the problem. It just needs to evolve. Here's a simple 3-part framework that you can put into play right now as we're speaking. Number 1, audit your responsibilities. Write down everything that you are currently the go-to for. Then ask yourself, which of these tasks actually require me and which could be delegated, delayed, or deleted. I can, with 99.999% certainty, tell you that when you do this and you commit to it and you're serious, you will find 10 hidden hours in your week just from stuff that you're always doing when other people could be doing it. Step number 2 is to install trust systems. So stop relying on your brain as the project manager. Use tools, use SOPs, or make a short Loom video so that tasks are not dependent on your personal oversight. And yes, even if you're the one doing the task, because I know for a fact that most of you out there that are listening have done the same task 10 times, 10 different ways. If you found a way that works efficiently, create a video and do it that way every single time. It will get faster the more it gets done that way, okay? Step 3 is to rewire your reliability story. So instead of saying, people rely on me because I can do it all, right? We know the stories like, if you want to get something done, find somebody who's super busy. Do not put that at me. I don't like that phrase at all. We're going to move it to, people rely on me because I set vision, I set boundaries, and I set systems that make things run smoothly. This is how you stop capping your scalability and start building something that is sustainable. If any of this landed, it's probably because you realize that you've been carrying way too much on your own. Look, you don't need another planner. You don't need another hack, okay? You need a way to actually buy your time back. And that's why I put together the Time Maximizer PDF. It's designed to help you spot exactly where your hours are leaking and get them back super fast. It is free. Grab it in the show notes, use it, and start practicing the shift from reliable doer to reliable leader. Because your next level isn't going to come from you just doing more and more and more. It comes from doing less and being a better leader.